Hey guys, so this morning we're going to do volume of composite shapes, and we're going to follow kind of the same strategy we did yesterday with our area of composite shapes. So we're going to take the volume of some of the smaller shapes that we see, and then we're going to add them or subtract them according to the type of question we have. I've posted a formula sheet on the website, so you can use that to look at all the formulas and have it as a reference. So let me show you how this works using a quick example. And we're going to determine the volume of the shed. One of the things I noticed here is the numbers are actually pretty big because they're in centimeters. So the first thing I'm going to do, just to make the numbers a little bit smaller, is change the measurements into meters. So if I change them to meters, this one's going to be 2.895. This will be 3.1. This will be 2.02. And this will be 0.79. So I've just changed them all to meters instead of centimeters, because otherwise the centimeters get really big numbers when we do that. Second thing we're going to do is split it into two different shapes. So you'll notice on the top we have a triangular prism, and on the bottom we have a rectangular prism. So what we're going to do is kind of find the area of the triangular prism and the area, or the volume of the triangular prism and the volume of the rectangular prism, and then we're just going to add them together. It's really that simple for this. So let's go ahead. We'll do the first one, the rectangular prism. And you'll notice from the formula sheet, it's just the volume is length times width times height. So we'll do 2.895 times 3.1 times 2.02. So that's our length, width, and height. And we'll just multiply them times 3.1 times 2.02. And I get 1.812849. I'm going to round that to 1.813. And that will be meters cubed. Then we'll do the second shape. We'll do the triangular prism, or the top part, which, if you look at the formula for volume, it's base times height times length, all divided by 2. So our base is the same as that front piece, which was 3.1. So we'll do that, 3.1 times our height of the triangle, which is 0.79, times the length of it. And if you notice from our diagram, it is the 2.895. And then after we multiply it, we'll divide it all by 2. So let's calculate that. Times 2.895, and I'll divide it by 2. And this one gives me 3.5449275. And again, I'm going to round this one same as I did the other one to 545. And that's meters cubed again. Now, since we have both pieces, we're going to find the total volume. And all we have to do for that is add it up. Oh, sorry guys. That should be a 5. And we get 5.358 meters cubed. That's it. Sometimes you might have shapes that have more than 2 shapes, so you'll just have to find the volume of each of those smaller shapes. Sometimes you might have stuff that maybe has a hole through it, so you'll have to take out a shape from it. So just be careful, do it according to the question, and try the practice questions that I have there. Bye guys.